Lisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living, and welcome to a Vlogmas Day 2. So in today's video, it is actually a collab with Morgan Phillips, and we're going to be bringing you some different projects. So I will have her channel and her video linked down below in the description box so you can go check it out. But we are going to be sharing different projects that we DIY'd. So she had this idea to take some of her kids' older ugly Christmas sweaters and turn them into pillows because her kids had outgrown them, but she wanted to keep it as a keepsake, so she's going to be turning them into pillows. And when she told me about this idea, I was like, oh my goodness, I have some Christmas pajamas that my oldest outgrew, and he didn't want to pass them down to his younger brother. He really was so sad that he outgrew them, and he really loved these Christmas pajamas, so I had kept them off to the side in my craft area, and I wanted to turn it into a pillow for him. We'd talked about it, but I had not gotten around to this project. So I was like, do you want to do a collab? Because you can turn your Christmas sweaters into pillows, and I'm going to turn in some Christmas pajamas into a pillow. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you a little bit of footage of how I got this done, and then I will show you the pillow as well. But I also just went to the thrift store with my 6-year-old. We went on a date and we went Christmas stocking shopping, and we went to the thrift store and we were looking at the fun Christmas stuff because why not? And my kiddos love cats. And so we found a ugly but pretty Christmas sweater. So one day this will be turned into a pillow or a keepsake item as well, just like Morgan is doing over on her channel. So my 6-year-old saw this and he absolutely loved it. It is his favorite color and it is cats. So it says Santa Paws and it's got the cat with the crazy Christmas tree on top. Why not? I showed this to him when we were in the thrift store and he was like, that's pretty awesome, you have to buy it. So he now has a ugly but pretty Christmas sweater as a keepsake, and it fits him perfectly. So it was also a really good deal, like about $8 or so, maybe a little less, but he really loved it, and so we went ahead and got it. And then I also picked up this one for my daughter. It is a perfect size for her, and it says, oh dear, and it's a deer, but you lift up the mask and it is actually a gingerbread underneath. So that totally went with my gingerbread theme, and I just thought it was so silly and so cute. So it's her ugly Christmas t-shirt, but cute. So one day this will be turned into like a pillow keepsake as well. And I didn't pick up anything new for my oldest because he has some fun Christmas pajamas that he currently can wear that he will be able to wear for a little bit longer. I'm sure we'll turn that into somewhat of a keepsake in the future, but I will show you the pillow. It's not perfect. I hand sewed it. I do not have a sewing machine, but this is his Christmas pillow. I will insert a picture of the original t-shirt. It's pretty obvious what it looked like, but I'll insert a picture just in case. And yeah, so I did threads in green because that is his favorite color. Like I said, it is not perfect, but it is all fuzzy. I put some pillow filler in there, and it is super cozy and small and cute, and he loves it. I've showed it to him already. So, and now I'm going to go ahead and insert some footage of how I got this done in the evening while I was baby snuggling my 4th baby. If you are new here, I am a homeschool mom to 4. I have a 8-year-old, which I made this pillow for, a 6-year-old, a 3-year-old, and then a 8-month-old. So I got this done in the evening, all cozy in the living room while I was snuggling my baby. And I'm so excited that I was able to get this project done. So I will insert that footage and then I will come back on to say a few more things. So that is all for today of Vlogmas Day 2. Definitely something a little bit different, but I'm going to be bringing you lots of different Christmas videos this month. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button, like this video, turn on your notifications so you know when I upload next, because I have lots of Christmas content coming your way. I'm going to be sharing shorts and longer videos all month long, giving you lots of Christmas vibes and motivation to tackle everything on your to-do list. And we're gonna have some fun during the month of December. Definitely go ahead and check out Morgan's channel and her video as well. I'm very excited to check out her video and see how she turned her Christmas sweaters into pillows. I think this is such a fun idea, so definitely go ahead and check out her video, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye for now.